Aloha everyone, my name is Moana of Motunui, and today I'm so excited that you're going to be joining me for a craft. Today we're going to be doing the kind of mean but kind of cute Kakamoras. Let's get started. The things you will need for this craft are 2 paper plates, a red paint and a white paint, along with 1 paintbrush, some glue, some scissors, 1 piece of purple paper, and 3 markers, 1 brown, 1 light brown, and 1 black. The first thing you're going to do is grab your paper plate and start coloring it the light brown. Like this. It doesn't have to be neat at first. Once you have your whole paper plate covered in the light brown marker, you're going to take the dark brown marker and just color very hard only on the top to make all of the Kakamora little hairs. Like that. And this is what it should look like after you've colored the hair on your Kakamora. Then you're going to take the black marker and you're going to color just the slight body of the hairs. Just like a few lines. Just like that. After you've made the little body hairs, you're going to take the black marker again, and we're just going to make a sweatband across the forehead. After you've made the sweatband, we're going to draw 2 eyes on the Kakamora, and you have to leave a little space for the eyebrows because they look really angry. Alright, those are his 2 eyes. And now we're ready for the paint. Remember, we have white paint and red paint. You might need an adult's help for this, but all you have to do is unscrew the paint and put a little dot on your second paper plate. And you're going to grab your paintbrush, and we're going to start off with the red. So we're just going to paint the angry eyebrows just like that. Perfect. After you finish the eyebrows, we're going to put a little bit of war paint on them. So that's just like 3 lines under their eyes, just like that. And the best thing about war paint is you just kind of do it how you want to do it. There's no real way to do it. After the war paint, you're going to dip the same paintbrush in the white paint, and you're going to make an upside down U. Kind of like a rainbow. Just like that. And we're just going to keep on piling the white paint until you're satisfied with how the white looks. After you've done your upside down U or rainbow shaped mouth, then you're going to grab into the white paint again and just connect those 2 lines. It should be an open mouth just like that. Then you're going to get more white paint, and we're just going to draw some spiky teeth on the top. We do this by making a lot of little V shapes inside the mouth. And after you've drawn the 3 V's for teeth, we're going to move on to the body. Next, you're going to grab your purple paper and your black marker and draw 2 legs and 2 arms. You're going to want to leave a little space, just like that much space, so that we can glue the arms and the legs on top of the paper plate. Just like that. And then same thing, like this. And then draw their little foot. It kind of looks like a music note. Now you're going to grab your scissors, again with adult supervision, and cut out your 2 arms and 2 legs. Now that you're finished cutting out your 2 arms and 2 legs, you're going to put the glue on the very back of this part right here, and then we're going to glue it to the inside of the Kakamora. And then we're going to glue it on the back of the Kakamora. You might need to hold it for a few seconds. You're going to take the other 3 body parts and repeat the process. You're going to put the glue inside of the little nook that we made earlier, and we're gonna glue it on the inside of the plate so your Kakamora looks like this. And now you're finished with the craft. Your Kakamora should kind of look like this. Kind of cute, right? But they're always trying to get the heart of Te Fiti. Mahalo for making this craft with me. Please make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel so you can hang out with me and all of my princess friends. Bye!